Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert Blum to Binance. To convert Blum token to Binance, you need to follow a series of steps. Very first thing is that claim your Blum tokens, participate in the Blum airdrops here. So let's go here and then go to Telegram, search for here Blum and click on launch Blum here and it will open it in your Telegram mobile application. Now click on start farming here and as you can see here it has been started and you can play games, so you can just get more here, right? And once you successfully able to claim the tokens, you can find details about the airdrop eligibility. Now this is a wallet, so you can add your wallet here and you can transfer your Blum into those wallet and then you can redeem them. So here let's say I will just go to the wallet section, right? Connect on wallet. I will just add my Tron wallet here and it has been added. Now click on connect, right? And I will just add the code, confirm these settings here. Now you can see my Tron keeper has been added that support Blum tokens. This is essential for receiving your tokens from after claiming them from airdrop. Understand the conversion rate for the Blum tokens. For instance, there might be ratios such as 3:1, meaning for every 3 Blum points you receive 1 Blum tokens. Be sure to check the latest rate in the Binance official sites. Right now, once you do this, if you don't already have one, create an account on Binance. So I've already created my account on Binance. Ensure you complete the KYC, the verification, because this is very important, right? As you can see here, it asking me to verify, but after without verification, you won't be able to do anything. So make sure you verify. Once you have claimed your tokens and connected your wallet, deposit your Blum tokens into your Binance account, right? So let's say I will just go to the deposit section here and I will just, you can see here, deposit crypto. Now here I can select here crypto here, right? Or you can you have to verify, then only you will able to add this. And after depositing, you can trade your Blum tokens for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency available on Binance. Use the trading interface to select your desired trading pair, for example on Blum to USDT, and execute the trade as needed. If you wish to convert your tokens into fiat currency or another cryptocurrency, navigate to withdrawal section of Binance and follow the instruction to withdraw your funds. So this is how you can do this. Thanks for watching this video.